Joining me now is Emory Law Professor Fred Smith, an expert in constitutional law. Fred, thank you for joining us.
It's a pleasure to be here.
So we're hearing a lot about the 14th Amendment in this case against Congresswoman Greene and other lawmakers across the country. Can you give us a clear reading of what the amendment says about insurrection and if it's being applied correctly here?
So Section 3 of the 14th Amendment is what is at issue here, and it allows for the disqualification of people from federal office if they've participated in insurrection or rebellion. On the one hand, one theory is that this is just like if someone raised a challenge about whether someone was old enough to be in the House of Representatives. So if someone was 20 years old instead of 25 years old, this is precisely the procedure that would be followed. You go to an administrative law judge, they would look to the evidence, they would put together a report, and the Secretary of State could disqualify them. So one theory is that this is just like that. But there are a number of legal theorists out there who believe that only Congress can enforce Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, and they rely on a series of cases from the 1800s.
So how do you think this is going to go? What is the likelihood of success for those hoping to remove Congresswoman Greene from the ballot?
So this is more of a political point than a legal point, but I suspect that the Secretary of State is not going to disqualify Representative Greene and that she will remain on the ballot.
All right, Fred Smith, Professor of Law at Emory University, we appreciate your insight tonight.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.